Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. On today's video I'm going to make this powerful deep condition that contains banana peel. I will show you how to use banana peel to condition your hair, promote faster hair growth, soften your hair, and also stop hair fall and hair breakage. After watching today's video, I believe that you never throw away your banana peel or lay down on banana peel. I promise you guys be on my other video that I will bring in a lot of video containing banana peel. This is one of that video, okay? So guys, let's dive into today's video. Let me show you guys how to use this banana peel to grow your hair, to condition your hair, and promote that faster crazy hair growth. This is my banana. This is the first thing we need in this recipe, okay? I'm using 4 pieces of banana. My next item I need is a bowl and a cup of water, a help of oil. Use any oil of your choice. I'm using my DIY's oil, and also a cup of my blender for the blending process. So let's start the work. So I bring this bowl now and also pull my banana to peel the banana, okay? Like as I said, we need the banana peel. So I use another bowl to pull in the banana and also put the banana peel in the other bowl, okay? After peeling it, I keep the banana aside and pour in the water to wash my banana peel. It's very necessary you wash your banana peel so that it don't need dirty in this banana. So next thing, I bring my knife to cut out the head and the tail of this banana. We don't need the head and the tail, okay? So, and also I bring the blending cup closer so that I can slice the banana peel into the blending cup. After slicing them, the next thing I need is to pour in my oil. I pour a lot of oil. Like as I said before, use any oil of your choice. Don't add water on this recipe, okay? So I'm going to blend this in this camera to see how it was difficult to blend. It's not that easy to blend, okay? But when you put more oil, it will be more easier for you to blend. After blending my banana peel, it's not that super smooth, so I add my banana. I slice the banana into a small sizable so that it will help the banana peel to blend very well. So after blending the banana peel and the banana together, next thing I bring this bowl and my wig cap to strain this, a new wig cap. You can use your cheap cloth, you can use your wig cap or your stockings, okay? So I pour in the banana peel and the banana into this my wig cap so that I can strain it. This part is very necessary because if you do not follow up this part, no matter how smooth your blender crush this, please strain it so that you will not slip in the bathroom in the process of raising this out of your hair. If banana peel stuck on your hair, is not a good experience. So make sure you use something that have very tiny hole to strain it so that you will not slip in the bathroom, okay? So as I continue straining it, my wig cap open in a little, open in the bottom a little bit. So I catch up on that and I cover that part and continue straining it. I hope you're understanding me. So after straining it, this is what I have so far. This is what I got so far. Our deep condition is ready. Our banana peel deep condition is ready. So I will demonstrate to you on how to apply this on your hair for best results. So keep on watching. First, this is the stage of my hair. My hair is super clean. I just fresh wash my hair. This is a deep condition. Deep condition require you to first of all to shampoo your hair first before you can apply it on your hair. Because why it's good to shampoo your hair before you can apply this product on your hair? Because your scalp and the strands of your hair are free of products. They are very open to collect products so that the product can absorb or penetrate or to do in best work supposed to do on your hair. I hope you're understanding me. So I'm going to apply this on my hair, both on the scalp and on the strand of my hair. You see the magic happen. You see how this deep condition, this great banana peel deep condition will transform my hair. You see how softer my hair will become. You see how coil definition this will give to my hair. Guys, after watching this video, I believe that you never let down on banana peel. I believe that you never throw away your banana peel. Banana peel is very good in our hair, honestly. So guys, and also there are different ways to use this banana peel also to grow your hair, okay? Banana peel help in reducing dandruff. It also repair damaged hair, nourish hair scalp, and also leave the hair looking luxurious and healthy. Using this banana peel as a deep condition is a very great idea. You will never regret it, but all you need to do is just watch the video to the end, because there is some more tip you need to follow up after applying this on your hair for you to get that best result, okay? As you know me now, I like doing finger detangle a lot, but it's not going to end in this finger detangle. Just keep on watching to see another step I will follow up later on, okay? This banana peel is something that you need to start incorporating on your hair arrangement. Is a great recipe that will help you to condition your hair, treat your freaky hair, dandruff, strengthen your hair, give you that condition and moisturize hair, especially if your hair is dry, okay? Banana peel will help to revive that your dry hair, bring it back to life, okay? Do you see how juicy this my hair is? Do you see the coil definition so far? So the little one that remaining, I'm trying to apply it on my edges. I don't joke with my edges. Whatsoever I apply on my hair, I like to give my edges special care, and also the nape of my hair special care. After applying this deep condition on your hair, please make sure that you massage your scalp. It's very necessary. Just give yourself a little scalp massage. It's very, very necessary. Whatever you apply on your hair, please try to incorporate scalp massage. It helps a lot. Guys, I'm not kidding. It helps a lot, okay? So, do you see, after massaging my scalp, I loosen my twin so I can see how coil definition, you can see how hydrate my hair feel with this banana peel. Do you see, guys? This is a good, okay, this is a must try product. Have you tried banana peel on your hair before? Please, I would love to know if you have tried that, okay? Do you see how this define my coils? Guys, I'm super excited. Do you see? Oh my goodness, this is so amazing, and my hair feels so soft, so smooth, guys, with this banana peel deep condition. Do you see that? I'm super excited. So after showing you the hair, how the hair feel like, so I will section the hair into half, okay, so that I will cover up my hair and allow my hair to sit for 1 hour. If you really want to get best results in DIY deep conditions, allow that deep condition to sit your hair from 1 hour above, 1 hour to 2 hours. That is where you can get the best benefit of it. This is DIYs, okay? Don't always be in a hurry, in a rush to wash out that deep condition. Or let's see, if you don't have time of that deep condition, please don't even go there. Just leave it. Whenever you have that time to give your hair, please do it, okay? Don't be a rusher, okay? Where are you rushing to? Please give your deep condition time to penetrate and do their great work it's supposed to do on your hair. So after leaving my hair, I finally end up leaving this deep condition on my hair 1 hour and 30 minutes, and this is how my hair look like. This is another way for you to get less shedding, less breakage whenever you deep condition your hair. Try to incorporate this technique. Don't comb your hair immediately you apply deep condition on your hair. Cover up your hair and allow that hair to sit as long as you want it to sit. Before you rinse that deep condition out of your hair, grab your comb and start combing the hair. In that case, you will see less breakage, okay? And when your hair less break, you will get more length retention, okay? Try to incorporate this and you're going to see a great change on your hair. Due to that little shedding that I got in whole of my hair. And whenever I'm washing my hair, I only comb my hair once. I don't comb my hair twice unless I'm doing one recipe trial on my hair. That's when will require me to comb my hair twice. So I normally comb my hair once. Sometimes I don't comb my hair throughout on that wash day, but this I'm combing my hair once. And this is the shedding I got after shampooing my hair. I did not comb my hair, because before I shampoo my hair, I do pre-poo on my hair. I do not comb the hair when I do the pre-poo, and when I shampoo my hair, I do not comb my hair. And it's now that I'm combing my hair, and this is the little shedding I got. Guys, try to cooperate this technique and you're going to tell me thank you. After rinsing this out of my hair, it did not take me time to rinse out because of there's no residues of banana peel into the deep condition. This is how my hair is looking like. My hair feels so healthy. My hair feels so living. My hair feels so moisturized and so hydrated. What I'll be doing next now is to use my leave-in condition to moisturize my hair, oil my scalp. I'm good to go. My wash day routine is complete. So guys, I hope you'll be trying this recipe. I hope you have learned best way to use banana peel to deep condition your hair. Okay, so let me know when you'll be trying this, and when you try it also I would like to get your feedback. Okay, and have you tried before? Let me know in comment section below. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed up to this point, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. Okay, and please like this video. Okay, it really encouraged me to put more good content out there for you guys. This is one way you can support the channel. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and also share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on how to use banana peel to grow their hair, to condition their hair. So guys, I've come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Be safe. It's a baby girl Glory. Bye. Mwah.